What is the immediate or cancel trade execution policy on MetaTrader 5? What is the immediate or cancel trade execution policy on MetaTrader 5? So you might be trading and you want to place an order. You go to your instrument and you go to new order, and you see here fill policy means is actually immediate or cancel. What does it mean? What it means is, for example, here I've got 5 standard lots that I'm trying to buy or sell depending on which direction the market is going. The immediate or cancel policy means the broker is going to see if they are able to fulfill the 5 lots that I'm going to buy or sell, and they're just going to place the order through to the market. Is going to be instant. And if the market does not have the entire 5 lot sizes that I'm looking for, the remainder or the partial, whatever the remainder from the 5 standard lots that I'm looking for is discarded. The market only fulfills what is available. That's what it means. So what is not available is immediately discarded, which is different from the fill or kill trade execution policy, where either they have the 5 standard lots or not. If they don't have the 5 standard lots, the order does not go through, no trade is placed. With immediate or cancel, the broker can still immediately place that order into the market. If there is something that is missing or a remainder, it's immediately discarded. That's what the immediate or cancel fill policy means on MetaTrader 5.